In last week's video, I showed you how to make Flemish almond cookies, which called for 10 egg whites, and you had 10 leftover egg yolks after the recipe was made. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use those 10 leftover egg yolks, and I'm going to show you how to make an egg liqueur from the Netherlands called Advocaat. Advocaat tastes a bit like eggnog, but it's a bit boozier. Eggnog is just a prepared drink with alcohol in it, but this is an actual liqueur made from the egg yolks. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you an idea for using the Advocaat in an Italian drink called a Bombardino. You can also use this egg liqueur in a few other mixed drinks as well as in baked goods. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make this delicious eggnoggy drink. All you need for this recipe are egg yolk, sugar, vanilla, nutmeg, sweetened condensed milk, and vodka or brandy. Add 10 egg yolks to your bowl, then add 250 grams or 1 1/4 cups of sugar. Next, add the can of sweetened condensed milk. One teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of grated nutmeg. Whisk to combine thoroughly. Using an immersion blender, or a regular blender if you don't have one, pour in the vodka and blend until the sugar is fully dissolved. This may take a couple of minutes. Pour the finished Advocaat into airtight bottles and store in the refrigerator for 2 weeks before using. Shake the bottles occasionally during the 2 weeks to make sure everything stays combined. After 2 weeks, you should have a thick, creamy, and decadent liqueur. You can serve it in shot glasses, use it to make liqueur coffee, pour it over ice cream, or even use it in your baked goods to make eggnog flavored treats. To make the Bombardino, pour 100 milliliters or half a cup of heavy cream into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of confectioner's sugar and whip until stiff. To assemble the drink, add 1 shot of Advocaat to a warmed coffee mug. Then pour in about 6 tablespoons of espresso. Top the coffee with sweetened whipped cream. Decorate with shaved chocolate and serve immediately. Well, there you go. go. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Let me know if you give it a try. It really is worth it. It's a deliciously decadent drink. Also, let me know if there's any recipes from Europe that you'd like to see in future videos. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next week.